Okay, so the transformations are taking place. I am in our showroom. This is what we call a vignette here. It's a challenge that I have proposed to our designers. It's our 4th year to do it. It's the Meet the Designers open house. The transformations are taking place as we speak. So 7 designers, they have 1 week to pull their vignettes together with only what's in stock at IBB right now. So talk about instant basic to beautiful. This wall actually happened over the weekend. So I'm gonna take you around the showroom right now. We're gonna sneak up on some of the designers so you guys can get a little sneak peek at what they're up to. But I promise you're gonna wanna come Thursday, September 19th from 4 to 7 because you wanna see these completed vignettes, and the first 100 guests are gonna get our signature swag. How amazing is this? All sorts of goodies in here. You're gonna get to pick the brains of our designers. So let's go take a look.